I'm sure you've played around with creating video content, or at least thought about creating video content as we move into this era of video being the hero of social media. The thing is that you do not have to create videos showing your face. You do not have to make video creation complicated. The only thing you have to worry about is making sure it brings value to your audience. And so today what I want to do is share with you how you can use stock videos to create Instagram Reels, and it's going to be simple. Let's go. Hi, my name is Kayla, and I help content creators create better content for better results. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get my latest uploads every week. So here we are on my Instagram account looking at one of my Instagram Reels. Now this Instagram Reel was created in Canva using one of the ivorymix.com stock videos. Now this isn't a video that I created for an Instagram Reel. This is just a stock video that I used on this Instagram Reel with a little bit of text on top made in Canva. Now I've done this before, so if you go to my Reels and look here, I've created this one using a stock video, and it got a lot of likes and a lot of comments, and it reached my audience and got the right kind of engagement. So you can use stock videos to create your Reels. Here's another example of all stock videos giving step-by-step how to do something using stock videos. So it got a lot of likes and engagement, and it was extremely helpful for me because I didn't have to film anything. I also have this one where it's just one stock video and different tips on top of that video, and that also got a lot of likes and engagement with my audience. So how can you recreate and do this yourself? Well, you go to Canva and you'll go ahead to create design, click on create design, and you'll type in mobile video, and you want to pull up the mobile video template. It's going to be this 9x16 canvas, and the difference between a regular Canva template and a video template is that you get this video timeline at the bottom, which allows you to edit the length of the various different clips. Now, if you look at the different types of stock video Reels that I've created on my account, you have this kind where it's just one video with a set of text, and the reason this works is it's a lot of text and it takes more than 5 seconds to read it, so you really don't need a lot of changing videos in the background because people are going to be reading the text. The other thing the other type of video you could do is one that has changing videos with each sort of topic change. So in this one, every time I changed the step or the text, I would change the video in the background. So there's no right or wrong way to do this. The thing is I think keeping it simple is the way to go. So in this case, let's say I want to recreate this reminder type of Instagram Reel with a stock video in the background and some music that I've discovered on Instagram that I want to use. Well, in order to do that is you want to decide on the length of your video. Now we know Instagram Reels likes your videos to be anywhere between 7 seconds and 15 seconds. So you can either stretch this out at the bottom to 7 seconds, or you can come up here to the top and click on the timing and change it to 7 seconds here. Both works perfectly fine. Now on Canva, they have different stock videos, and a lot of them are either free or for Canva Pro. Some of them are kind of, not really vertical. Some of them are horizontal. And so what we focus on at Ivory Mix is vertical and mobile friendly stock videos. So if you come over to the content shop and go to photos, or if you're a member, you have free access to all of this. You go to sort by videos and you'll find a lot of stock videos available right inside of Ivory Mix, and they go with our stock photos, which is really nice as well. So we have stop motions and we have, you know, little clips and vertical video. So your resources for stock videos are, you know, kind of endless, but what you want to do is find a stock video that fits your aesthetic and go ahead and add it to the canvas. I'm going to go to my uploads and go to the video tab and use one of the stock videos that I've used in the past. You know, one of these here works perfectly fine, and it is 22 seconds long, so I do want to trim that down so that it fits that 7 or 8 seconds. Something ideal for Instagram is going to be 7 to 15 seconds. So I've added the video, that's ready to go. Now what I need to do is add the reminder. So if we go to elements and we go to shapes, what I like is the rounded corner box, and I'm gonna make that fit a little more across and towards the center of the screen. I'm gonna change it to white, and what I want to do is add my logo and the text. All right, so I've added my name, you know, your Instagram handle and some text, and now it's just a matter of adding in the logo. And so you'll come over to elements and click a circle frame, and we'll want to shrink that a little bit so that it fits. And what you'll do is you'll insert your headshot or your logo right there, and then, you know, of course, any reminder. Now you don't need to animate anything because the video is the animation, and the people who are, you know, listening and reading the reel are just reading the text, and the video adds context to it. So now it's 8 seconds and we just click play, and that stock video along with this reminder creates a short, easy Instagram reel with one video. Now if I wanted to create a multi-part Instagram reel with different stock videos, what I would do there is I would split this 8 seconds into different parts. So I can sort of hover over where on the timeline at the bottom, hover over, you know, maybe 3 seconds in and right click and hit split, and then go a couple more seconds in and hit split, and then go a couple more seconds in and hit split. So now I've split that 8 seconds into multiple sections, and I just need to pull in different stock videos on the different slides. So I'll click on the second slide here and go back to my uploads or back to the videos and find something appropriate for the second, third, and fourth slides. All right, so I've grabbed between these 3 videos here in my uploads. I've gone ahead and shuffled them throughout, and now the 8 seconds is made up of different clips of stock videos. So you can see it adds a nice, cool transition between different scenes that all give the same vibe, and it still stays within that 8 seconds. Now let's say I don't want this reminder to be on the entire Instagram reel. Maybe I want, you know, some text on the first part, different text on the second, different text on the third, and different text on the fourth. If that's the case, then I should probably delete this from all of these. So I've gone ahead and deleted the text from all of the clips, and now I want to focus on, instead of a reminder that plays for the entire Instagram reel, let's say I want to teach a concept. So if I'm going to do a tutorial type of reel, the first clip is going to be a headline, and then the last clip is going to be a call to action, and the second and third clip are going to be tip number 1 and tip number 2. So I'm just laying it out there how I want to do this. So if I go to the headline, I'm going to go ahead, go to text and click add heading. And let's say I'm going to teach about my favorite font. So maybe the heading is favorite fonts on Canva. I'm going to type in my favorite fonts on Canva. And I usually like to add a background to my text, so I'll go to Effects and click on Background and make sure that that background is white. I also don't like to use this really big font. I like to use something more around the 36 size. So there's my heading, my favorite fonts, and then you know, here on the second screen I'll probably share my favorite fonts. So here I've added a rapey, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to, you know, maybe paste it in here, and I'm going to change it to my second favorite font, and I'll just, you know, guess something. Maybe it's what is that, Anita? And we want to make that a little bit bigger, and so we want to change what it says. Anita. I couldn't really read it, so I decided to change it to something more legible. So we're going to call that, what is this? Check. That's pretty cool. I like that. And so that will be on the third slide. And then the call to action might be try Canva Pro. So actually what I made my call to action is follow for more Canva tips. And so I think that fits really well. So let's preview what that looks like. My favorite fonts in Canva, a rapey, check, follow for more Canva tips. And so it was a little glitchy on the screen. It doesn't download that way. So I would probably preview it again just to make sure that all the transitions work really well. And speaking of transitions, you can do more to this stock video Instagram reel by adding transitions between slides. So what you'll do is you'll come to the plus button and click on the little transitions tab, and you can add different transitions between your slides. It can be kind of visually interesting. We want to keep it as simple as possible, so I would use these sparingly. The other thing you can do is animate the text. Again, I think keeping things simple is better. Overcomplicating it with too much animations is really not going to help, especially if you make sure that you change your images or your text frequently throughout the video. That's about all that you usually need to do. So once you've got that created, once you've got this reel created and you're ready to download, you'll go ahead and click on share, download, and you'll download as an MP4. You want to make sure all the pages are selected before you download. The other thing you're going to want to do is probably download the Canva app. So Canva has an app for iOS if you have an Apple phone or your Android phone, and you can go ahead and log into your Canva account on your phone and download your Instagram reel right there on your phone so that it becomes easy for you to upload on Instagram. Now, if you want an easy way to get started with stock videos and Instagram reels, go to ivorymix.com and click on the Photos tab to search through our stock videos. You can also go to our templates tab and click on Reels, and you'll find different Canva templates for your Instagram reels, like this one, the 4 essential Reel and TikTok templates. These are included free if you become a member, or you can purchase them separately. Now that you've learned everything you can in this video, you're ready to move on to the next step. So I've put together this free resource for you to help you with that, and you can grab it right below this video.